My name is Elizabeth Muller, and today we're going to make congri. Still draining out the fluid here, the liquid, the juices for this. Black beans, rice, congri. Cubans call it Cristianos en Moro, congri. So here is the 2 cups. I'm going to add now, turn on the stove first I think, to about a 6, okay? I'm going to add some beans in there, okay? Not a lot, just a little bit. So I can cook with my rice. I'm going to take my sofrito, as you see it here. I'm going to add it in here also. And I'm going to stir this. Stir it all together here.